Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing 2 unboxings of Star Wars Black Series Holiday Edition. We have the Snow Trooper and we have the Purge Trooper. So we'll start with the Snow Trooper. Open those up. No Trooper is out. No, I haven't got everything. His gun is stuck to the back of the box. I can't get this gun out. There we go. This gun is out. Put this together. Put it in there. Green backpack. Goes on the back. Let's put the gun in his hand. There we go. Snow Trooper. And I'll just break it up. There we go. There's that. Let's open up the Purge Trooper. Nothing else in there. The Holiday Edition robot and the Purge Trooper. Let's put the gun in his hand. It's far too long for him. There's not a way to store the gun without it being in his hand because it's far too big for him. There we go. His feet properly. Purge Trooper and the Snow Trooper side by side. They look pretty good. In the middle. So there we go. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with some more unboxings.